model of one so we can know what's happening in it. So this is a fireman that puts out some fire when there's one. This is a student learning. And
where does a student learn?
At school.
Okay, so that's a school there?
Yep.
What else is in a community?
The police. So when there's a problem, you fix the problem. And there's one pilot. So
Pilot is in a community. What does he do in the community?
It makes you transfer from another place to another place.
Okay, so he flies the helicopter or the airplane, takes you from one place to the other. What else is in a community? I see trees in your community. Are those important?
Yes, they're very important because they make you breathe and help you to stay alive.
Okay, I see this. What's this?
Some lights. It helps you to see when you're going somewhere, so you can't bump into stuff.
Okay, and who's this person who's important to the community?
The mailman. He delivers mail, so the mail tells you what's happening.
Okay, what else is in the community?
Some houses. The houses are really important. They're made so you could sleep in.
Okay.
And some...
I see transportation here. Tell us about transportation in a community.
There's the boat trapped right there. I would just move it up a little bit. So
you have a boat in the community? Okay, what's the boat?
Yeah.
What does the boat do?
It makes you transport from another place just to the other place where you cannot walk to because you need some energy.
But I thought the helicopter and the airplane did that.
Some boats do that too.
What does the boat travel on?
Some water.
Okay, so those who want to travel by sea, by water, they take the boat. I see.
Yeah.
What else is in the community?
Some trains if you want to travel on the road or on the train tracks. So this is the train. If you want to go on train tracks, it would transport you on train tracks to different places. So
what else do you do with trains?
They collect some stuff for you, like some coal and stuff like that.
Okay, what else?
And this...
What else are some stuff that are important to the community
some
that you have not mentioned yet? Signs, okay?
They're for guiding people, and this sign is for when there's a train and you'll need to stop. This sign is for when people's walking to school or something.
You
like
need
that.
to do what when you see that sign for school? What do you need to do?
Walk across, and the cars need to stop.
Slowly.
Slow
down. Okay. What else is in the community? Who have you not spoken about in the community? When people are sick in the community, what do?
They go to the hospital.
And who's important at the hospital?
The doctors.
What do the doctors do?
They help people so they could survive.
What do they give them?
Some needles.
Medication, maybe?
Yeah, medication.
Okay. Right, what else is in the community? How about what we drive on? Those are important to the community.
Yeah, the road.
Roads are important to our community, yeah.
The roads are for cars to drive on, so the cars does not need to drive on the sidewalks.
Okay. Alrighty.